Hi there, Jake with TrueRife. Today I'm going to show you how to install the SuperNova bulb onto a desktop or a tripod stand. For demonstration purposes, I have our desktop, but the process is the same for the tripod. The only thing we need to make sure of after we've got it out of the package and into our base is there is a little wing nut up on top here on the desktop stand. It's a star shape. On the tripod, it's a circle shape. We need to remove that to make sure that the SuperNova fits flush onto the stand itself. So I removed that. You can just throw it away. And I do want to loosen this to the left, push this out a bit, tighten that again. Here's our SuperNova bulb resting on our Hammer Pajama, and it simply runs through right in the bottom. You're now installed and ready to run your SuperNova. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.